Welcome back to another Noble Courses tutorial, and in today's video I have something super exciting. We're going to be seeing how to create a Roblox game UI just using AI, and this just blew my mind. Let's go ahead, let's get started in the video first. But the very first step that we have to do is we have two options in this. We can either do the whole UI manually, that's the old traditional way, or we can code the UI, which is a complete game changer. I'll show you a short clip on how it will look right now. I'm going to show you how to prompt the AI to do this as well. Now, just be warned, it's going to take several lines of code to do this. So the first step that we want to tell it is act. And it's going to act as an expert Roblox Studio developer specializing in Lua user interface design, camera systems, and also players controls. It's important whenever you're talking to the AI, you tell it what it's going to act like. If you don't tell it this part, then it doesn't really have any guidelines. Task, the actual task that we want to give it, create a fully working professional Roblox main menu using only Lua code, etc. I'll leave the whole prompt in the description. The script will be placed inside starter player scripts, and main menu script. This is some insights, this is where we want to add the code. If we add it somewhere else, nothing would work. So we have to write this part, it's a must. Then this is the part where you can actually change. The text, Noble Courses presents, you can change this to whatever you want. A large game title called Robot Escape, change this to whatever you want. A play button, a settings button, and a credits button. Format, I'm going a bit fast, but attention span has went down, so I have to go fast. Let's try to keep the video shorter than 5 minutes. The complete Lua code in one code block, that just makes it simpler. I'll add this entire prompt in the video description. Let's copy the code. Now once we've copied the code in the Explorer window, let's open it up. Explorer window, click Starter Players, small triangle, and then click Starter Player Scripts, click on the plus and add a local script. It must be a local script, keep that in mind, it must be a local script. Let's paste the code that we've copied, and it seems like we have a small error. Whenever you see a red line, a red circle, that means you have a mistake in the code. You can either talk back to the AI and ask it to fix it, or you can fix it manually. And this is the part where it's important to know some code as well. AI doesn't get it always 100% right. It's amazing, you should use it, but it doesn't always get it 100% right. In this case, when I did 1050, it added a comma. Whenever we're talking in Lua and we're talking to the game, never add a comma. That's it. But if you don't know how to code, it would take you several hours or several minutes trying to fix that. And there's a whole code. Let's click play and let's see it work as well. Ooh. So Robot Escape, the facility has entered lockdown, outsmart the machines, survive the security system, and escape before it's too late. Settings, we can turn off or on the menu blur, interface animations, we can turn these off or on. The X button seems to work as well. Credits, Robot Escape created by Noble Courses, game design, scripting, and education. Thank you for playing. Amazing, I'm genuinely super impressed. Click play and the play button works as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've also attached the Discord link in the video description somewhere over there. It's limited to the first 100 joiners. So if you don't join and you're not in the first 100, there's no way for you to join. So I'll see you again in the next one. We'll be uploading more videos, I promise. Thank you for viewing, and I'll see you again in the next video.